Hello everyone, welcome to Ieee Xpert. So we are providing machine learning projects as well as AI projects, deep learning projects at best cost. Okay. So without wasting much further time, I'm going to explain very much important project for current society. So this is the project which you are going to deal today. So this is our project EHR, Patient Electronic Health Record Management using Blockchain Security Framework. So this is the project we are going to discuss today. As everyone know that today healthcare sector completely migrated to the online. So past few years, if you are going for some other hospital and all means, if you have to enter some data means they will note down those data into the record, written record. But nowadays all the records migrated to the online. Each and every hospital having certain website cloud for patient data storage system. Those records called as a electronic health records. So you know that the data, medical data which are stored on the cloud, particular cloud called as the electronic health record. So it is important to prevent those data from the hacking, leaking. So if someone hacked the hospital cloud means they come to know the each and every patient disease details, their medication details and everything. Someone can modify those data. For example, I'm going for the heart surgery. They will modify my data as a stomach surgery means the operation will be misunderstanding. Okay, mishappened. So they can change the lab report, test report, x-ray report, everything they can change. So for that prevention only, what we are going to do means we are going to apply some secure protocol here. For secure protocol, in this project we have chosen the blockchain here. So this is the things here, blockchain based security protocol we have chosen. So this is the project based paper. So I'm going to explain the project PPT for you. So without wasting much further time, I'm going to explain the project PPT. So here we have mentioned that project report, PPT, base paper, everything. While you are purchasing, we will give everything. So this is the project PPT. Here we are given that this is the project abstract. We have mentioned that. So this is project in this project framework, we are going to implement a blockchain based security protocol to prevent the electronic health record. The main aim of the project is to secure the patient electronic record by defining the chain access. What's the meaning of chain access means? If someone try to modify the particular data means the blockchain, each and every link having some interlinks, they are having access to prevent those modifications. Okay, this is the main advantage here. Okay, we have mentioned here. Okay, then we have mentioned that this is completely online as well as offline, both the things you can use. This is as well as scalable. What's the meaning of scalable means those data you are storing in the electronic cloud, those data are scalable. It can reduce its bits or enhance its bits, depends upon the data security. So this is the project abstract. The domain comes in the blockchain. We have given introduction about the blockchain. So this is the literature survey of the paper. We have taken so much existing paper to discuss about the electronic health record. So overall, this is the existing system which is given in this base paper. This is the project base paper they are given. This is the existing system of the base paper. Here we have mentioned that they have used centralized system. What's the meaning of centralized system means? If someone doctor storing the patient health record means it goes to the cloud. From the cloud directly it will come to the patient. That is the centralized system. But the major problem was if someone hacked the cloud means those data can be leaked. That is a major problem. But in our proposed system, we are going to use decentralized. I will explain that later. Just listen these things. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, this is completely based on the centralized system. So it's most prone to the hacking, secure leakage. So this is the major concern here. Also, it was less reliable. Less reliable means cloud having some problems always. So you don't have access to your own data if cloud having some problem means. That's the major problem here. Single point failure also may happen. You don't have many more clouds to the connection. You do have single cloud. So there is a single point failure also can be happen. So this is the major drawback of the system. So to overcome this, what we are going to do means we are going to make this system as a decentralized system. So this is not discussed here. We have discussed here. So this is, we are going to make this as a decentralized system. In decentralized system, we are going to apply two algorithms. Before that, we are going to discuss what is decentralized system. Just tell me about decentralized system. What is the decentralized system means? In this project, you are, for example, you are a doctor, you are going to upload some of the data to the cloud means this system not only having cloud for the hospital, it having separate storage for the patient records. So hosting this website having some cloud as well, some data is only migrated to the other cloud. That means another backend. For that backend, we are going to use MongoDB here. So this is the decentralized system. Certain point cloud for the website, certain point cloud for the data storage. Two clouds we are using here. That is a real-time data, a real-time cloud also. You can access from anywhere, any system. So this is a completely real-time project, you know. So we are going to apply two algorithms here. One is SHA-512 algorithm for hashing, PBFT algorithm. So we combiningly making these two algorithms, PBFT as well as SHA-512 for hybrid hashing purpose. What's the meaning of hashing means? Once you are uploading patient data, Kumar, Ramesh, fever, blood, BP rate, those data means those data converted into blockchain hash format, then migrated to the hospital cloud. From there, it will go to the MongoDB. So decentralized cloud. This is the major advantage here. Okay, the proposed system, everything explained here. So for hashing data, we are using Ethereum here. Everything mentioned. So this is the project architecture, overall architecture. After purchasing these things, we do explain everything. So the proposed system again explained deeply for your thorough knowledge. We do explain it clearly how the blockchain performs here, why we are using public blockchain instead of private blockchain. Everything discussed here. So while purchasing project, you do get the complete data here. Okay, so the overall architecture we are given. So this is the project architecture. So if you are entering means doctor have to authenticate. So you have to view all patient data. You can add the new patient also. You can add the patient new data report. You can update the things. Then it can directly upload to the cloud. From the cloud, it will migrate to the blockchain data. So as we mentioned here, so those data into the hosting. Hosting means the blockchain hosting. From the blockchain hosting, it comes to the patient. Patient can authenticate her own his own authentication. Then he can view all these data. He can share those data to the other doctors also. Those are the things. Then models also given here. So complete models description, everything given here in this project. Okay. Major advantage was this is the decentralized process. So unmodifiable confidentiality. You don't have to worry about your data. All the data having very much confidential thing. So you can run on offline also. So this is the major advantages here. So implementation of this thing, we are going to use Python as well as Java. So IDE you can use Anaconda IDE as well as VS Code. Both the things you can use here. So this is the project reference. So complete PPT, everything given here for this project. Report also available. Okay. So what I'm going to do means I'm going to now execute the project demonstration for you. Okay, to execute this project, so I'm going to the project code folder. This is my project code folder. So this is my overall project code. I'm going to run this project. So to run this project, I'm just copying my the project location. What I'm going to do means I'm going to open Anaconda Navigator. So this is the Anaconda Navigator you can install. In the Anaconda Navigator, you can use Project Navigator. So just after opening this, I'm going to use CD space project location. So I'm just pasted the project location after making CD. Then I just type in project, Python space app2.py. Python space app2.py because this is my main project code. So Python space app2.py. Just I'm entering. So after making app2.py, it will give the localhost status. This is my project localhost status. You have to copy and you have to paste in the browser. That's it. So once you have pasted means you can get the home page details. So this is your project home page. So this is how your home page looks like. So this is our project home page. Before that, I will to give information about our project purchase. So to purchase this project from our company, so you have to choose specific title. So once you choose the title means you have to contact us for the doubts, your specific requirements and payment procedure. Once you make the payment procedure, payments on the third step means you would get the complete project delivery. You would get complete support till your project submission. It's not about 1 day, 2 day. Till your project submission, you can get complete support from us. This is our step-by-step procedures. So this is our project website. So what I'm going to do means I'm going to give sign up. So for sign up, there is a three members in this project. So there are, as I mentioned earlier, there are three members. So you have to sign up for the all the three members. Okay. So first person doctor, second admin, then third one is the patient. Three members you have to sign up. So what I'm going to do means I'm going to give admin sign up. So this is the admin sign up button. So what's the meaning of admin sign up means he was the owner of that hospital. He was the main owner. So CEO of that hospital. So you have to give admin. So for example, I'm going to use admin name as a Jipmer. Okay, official name Jipmer. Or else you can give any hospital name. For example, the government hospital. Chennai. Example, I'm giving government hospital Chennai, for example. So password you can choose. I'm just giving 12345. Confirm then organization which you under work. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. So this is government or aided. So just I'm giving it's a government aided. So then organization unique number was the ID of the hospital. For example, I'm just giving the ID hospital was GH1. So this is my ID of that specific hospital. I have to give mail ID. I'm going to give GHC1 at gmail.com. This is my overall mail ID for that hospital. So city, I'm going to choose city as a Chennai. Then domain, what's the specialty in this hospital? So what I'm going to do means domain I'm going to choose general hospital. General hospital. So this is my domain. So I fill up everything. So what I'm going to give means I am going to give submission button here. Once you submitted means it will go to the next page. So there you have to choose my account. In the my account you have to note down your data. So you can see. So your ID value was ADM2 admin2 ADM2 your code. Your password will be 12345 which I given earlier. So this is the username for the admin. So this is your ID hash values. All the values are hashed here. So what I'm going to means I'm going to give dashboard here. I can see these data are migrated to the MongoDB or not. So this is my MongoDB deployment. This is the backend of my MongoDB to store all the hash values. Just I'm going to use EHR here. This is my EHR. So this data directly connected with this website. You can see in code also. So this is your code. You can see your connection data here. So here I connected my MongoDB here. So all the data is already connected here. So you can verify whether the data came here or not. Just go to the collection. This is my server which I mentioned earlier. In my collection, just go to the nodes. Nodes here means you can find all the details here. Just I'm going to give next button. So later you can find all these details. Just I'm giving next button here. Up to my last tab. So in the nodes, you can find the hashed data. Hashed data of all these data you can see migrated here. Okay, those are the data, hashed data. Okay, so now I am going to do uh, login for the sign up for the doctor. So just I'm going to use log sign up button for the doctor. So just go to the doctor sign up. So in the doctor sign up, you have to sign up for the doctor. So I'm just giving my doctor name as Madan. Just I'm choosing my male, sexual character as a male. Then I have to give my date of birth. Example, I'm just choosing my somewhat my date of birth here. You can choose whatever you need. Example, I'm choosing somewhat my date of birth I given here. So I have to give my age. I'm giving my age as a 30. So myself, I am specialized in MBBS, sorry, child category. So child doctor. My workplace was Chennai. So I have qualified in MBBS. So I'm graduated from Gilmar. So myself, I'm a good doctor. So workplace phone number I have to give 9566 492473. So my personal contact I have to give 9566 492473, which I'm giving again. So myself I have to give my password here. So I'm using 12345. This is my password here. So what I'm going to give means I'm going to sign up for the things. So once I got the sign up, so what I have to do means directly I have to go to the my account. In my account, I have to choose my I have to see my ID value. In my ID value, I have to go doctor 55. So doc 55. This was my ID. Password 12345 I given. So this is my hash data. ID value hash data. I can see whether my data are hashed into the blockchain or not. Directly go to the blockchain. Go to the nodes. In the nodes, just go to the last page, which I mentioned earlier. Just go to the last page. Until last page you can get all your data. So just come to the last page, you can find. So doc 55, name Madan, child doctor, contact number, the data created which time. So these are the hashed data. Complete data are hashed format. So what I'm going to do next means, so after completing my sign up button, just I'm making logout here. I'm going to click sign up for the patient. So patient, sorry, I have to give sign up. Instead of that, I'm given sign in. So go to home page. As usual, go to sign up. Click patient sign up. So once patient sign up button came, page came means I'm giving my patient name as a Kumar. Just giving last name as a M. So password will be 12345. Data birth for the patient I'm giving somewhat. I have to give somewhat a date of birth. So given something. So patient age was nearly given as a 10. So you can choose 10. So address was Chennai given. So country and state it will take automatically as a IP address, not an issue. So patient contact number 9566 492471 I given. So you have to enter the Aadhaar card for the patient. I'm giving Aadhaar card number for the patient. So currently he was having medication issue means give yes. You have to specify the specific issues related with his health. Just I'm giving fever. So that's enough. Just I'm giving fever. That's it I'm given. So I given fever. So enter all these details. Just I'm going to give sign up. So sign up done. So you can see your data. After making sign up, you have to note down your value. So your patient 00188. This is your data. Your password will be 12345. This is given. So you can see your hashing values and everything you can see. So after completing the patient sign up, as usual, you have to make to the logout. So I'm making admin again. So okay, I'm going to make admin. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to give admin sign up again. So this time I'm going to give one more admin. For example, admin name was so instead of Kumar Hospital, I'm giving Kumar Hospital. So I'm going to give password will be 1234 as usual. So government organization was Kumar. So government or private, I'm giving it's a private organization. So organization number was GH double one, sorry GH 112. So official email was Kumar Hospital at gmail.com given. So city was Chennai I have given. So domain was multi-specialty I given. So just give submit button. After making submit, just go to for my account. In my account, just you can note down the value ADM 94. Password will be 12345. As I mentioned earlier, just go to the cloud. In your cloud, just to go to the notes. In notes, go to the last page. In last page, you can find the data. So ADM 24. When it's created, all the data are making into hash values. See the hash value. Name was Kumar Hospital. So fine, everything fine here. So what I'm going to do means I'm going to make logout. Just I'm going to log in here. I have to log in as a doctor. I have to give my login ID. So doc 55. Password will be 12345. So this is my password. So after making password, this is the doctor dashboard, my account, data record, request record, available records. So just go to create record. You can create various records here, various records. So I'm just going to general medicine. You have to enter the patient ID. I'm taking my patient ID as a PAT 00188. So which is I registered a few minutes ago. So he was a male patient. I have given yes in years age. So he was around 20 kgs. His height was 2.2 feet. So I'm going to give his BMI as a 25. So while analyzing his issues, I come to know that he's having viral fever. Example I'm giving as a viral fever. Nothing need to worry. This is my medication analysis. I have to give blood group O positive. So he having blood pressure is 120. He don't have any diabetes. He don't have any food allergies. So this is for general medicine. You can go for multiple analysis. Just I choose general medicine. Just click apply. That's it. So once you applied completed means it will create the patient record blockchain certificate PAT 001 blockchain record. This one. So you can verify all the data. So these are the data you have entered. Everything okay means just click add record. So that's it. It created. Just to go to the your MongoDB. In MongoDB, just refresh the thing. So data is already connected here. Just go to the collection. You can check for the data. Just go to the patient 188. I hope. So see that it's created patient 188 record. Just click that. You can find the patient records. You have created general medicine only as of now. So go to the general information. So this is the general information. So see the data, all the data you have entered. But those data automatically converted into hash format. So this is the hashed data. This is a decentralized server as I mentioned. So those data converted into hash. So you first of all patient have to see the data. Just to go to logout, go to patient login. So enter the patient ID PAT 00188. Password will be 12345. This is my password given here. So this is my patient dashboard. I can see my account. So this is my account. I can use a QR code to log in also. So just see view records. In view records, you can see some record created for you. So the date showed here was 22/9/2023. Just give view records. After viewing records, this is your data. But you can see those data are hashed here. But while you are logging as a patient, you can see all these data perfectly. That's it. Okay. So just go to dashboard. So what I'm going to do means I'm going to log out as of now. I'm going to log in with the admin. Just go to admin. I'm going to use login with the admin. So those data have to see by admin. So what I'm going to do means I'm going to log in with ADM94 here. I'm going to use ADM94 to log in as a admin to check to access the patient data. Okay. 94. So I'm going to log in the ADM94. So password will be 12345 I given. So 12345 I given. Once make sign in means you can see everything. So what I'm going to do means I'm going to go view records. In view records, I'm going to request the patient ID. So pat 00188. I'm going to request this record from the patient. I don't have to access to the data. Just I'm going to request from the patient. Just make request. So create the smart contract here. I'm making some contract between patient as well as ADM94. This is my smart contract just to generate the record. Blockchain certificate. So it's created. Just make logout. Again, I'm going to log in the patient. Just go to the patient pat 00188. I'm going to give my password as 12345. Just give sign in. So you can see access log. In access log, you can see ADM94 requested record, your record. Okay, this is your particular record. Just give accept. So blockchain contract here created now. So whether see the admin received the data or not. I'm going to give logout here. Again, I'm going to log into the admin. So go to admin. I'm going to use ADM94. ADM94. So password will be 12345. This is my password. Just give signing. Just go to the available records. In available records, you can see created. Just give view. You can see all this data here. Okay. Just you can see the same patient data. By the way, you can see all the data here. Smart contract data, certificate data, everything. Now you go to available records. So again, the data will be there. Okay. So this is admin side. So by the way, you can create data from the admin doctor. So by the way, admin also create multiple data. Okay. There are multiple clinical laboratory data, multiple data available. You can create any number of data. Those data automatically converted into blockchain format. Okay. So complete data will be created here. So we can see patient data also. For example, go to the PID. In PID, you can see. So what are the patient registered here? So you can see all this data. So by the way, test having patient registration data. So this is the database for the patient registration. So you can see all these hashed values. So by this way, this project going to work. To get this project, please contact ieexpert.com. We do provide this project at a best price with complete support till your project submission with documentation, presentation and everything. To know about more projects and explanation, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, keep in contact with us. Thank you.